So I'm actually in a nature reserve. I'll put up the title of what's it called. Not far from Prat, along the river, which leads to a beach. That was my original plan. I was walking to try and get to the beach, but then saw an entrance to this nature reserve, which is free. Apparently there's flamingos and some horses, and yeah, it's meant to be very beautiful. So I thought, oh, let's go and have a look in here instead. And you can kind of go to the end here and see the beach, but you can't get on the beach, so that's alright. Those birds timed that well for my shot, thank you. Oh, these umbrellas cost me about €3. Oh my god. Usually I get an aggressive push, does it? Well, I've got no, there we go. Got no wind. Where are the flamingos? Do I even bother going down there? It's a sort of dead end. If it was dry, yeah.